歡迎繼續收睇重磅新聞熱報。相信大家都會玩過包剪揼，不過原來唔係遊戲咁簡單，當中有好多策略性同數學嘅原理。咁專家話可以幫到小朋友學習。
1, 2, 3, shoot！
清餐魔教叉燒包，相信大家都玩過包剪揼啦。尤其係爭嘢嘅時候，更加係大派用場。不過當中原來大有學問嘅喎，唔係淨係講求運氣，亦都要講求策略。國際上仲有包剪揼大賽。
There's really two aspects to the science of rock, paper, scissors. There's the psychology aspect, so what are you giving away that might indicate your next throw, or as well as what can you see in the opponent that might give away what their next throw is.
知道咗原理，不如等冠軍得主再同大家分享自勝嘅必殺技。
Everybody has a different approach, but my strategy has always been about understanding and trying to read the other player. So I find that men tend to play a little bit differently than women. Men will throw rock on their first throw more often, and women tend to throw scissors.
既然包剪揼進身國際大賽，當然有晒標準。
They're rock, paper, and scissors. 1, 2, 3, then deliver their throw.
所以大家以前習慣界搖手同埋大力揼地就唔啱啦。包剪揼咁講求策略，所以仲可以幫助小朋友訓練佢哋嘅邏輯思維同埋推理運算能力。
玩包剪揼可以令到個人精神啲咯，我覺得，因為你會動腦筋咯。其實
今個萬聖節期間，香港會舉行首屆嘅國際包剪揼大賽亞洲挑戰杯，公開組嘅冠軍可以代表香港出戰今年喺加拿大舉辦嘅國際賽。香港寬頻電視記者伍瑞文報道。